Where to locate carbon monoxide alarms? Carbon monoxide is a silent killer. You can't see it, smell it, or taste it. This is why having carbon monoxide alarms installed throughout a property is so important. There is no standard in Australia that covers the design, manufacture, installation, or servicing of carbon monoxide alarms for domestic premises. Therefore, Brooks suggests you choose a carbon monoxide alarm certified to EN 50291, the European standard, and in accordance with European standard EN 50292, this tutorial gives general guidance on where to fit carbon monoxide alarms. Which rooms? Ideally, carbon monoxide alarms should be installed in every room containing a fuel-burning appliance. If it is not feasible to fit an alarm in every room with an appliance, priority should be given to rooms with flueless or open flued appliances and rooms of high occupancy, for example living rooms and bedrooms. If it is deemed that the alarm sound levels are inadequate, then move the alarms outside the door of the room with the appliance. If the sound levels are still inadequate, consider moving the alarm closer to the occupied area. Where in the room? In a room with an appliance, the alarms should preferably be positioned on the ceiling at least 300 mm from any wall. While not recommended, if it must be placed on the wall, it should be at least 150 mm from the ceiling and above the height of any doors or windows. Position the alarm 1 to 3 meters from the appliance and always place the alarm on the appliance side of any obstruction. When located in rooms without an appliance, place the alarm at breathing level. Where to avoid positioning alarms? In an enclosed or obstructed space, directly above heating or cooking appliances, directly above a sink, next to doors, windows, extractor fans or air vents. In an area where the temperature exceeds -10 degrees or +40 degrees Celsius. In a contaminated or dusty environment. Why interconnect alarms? Carbon monoxide alarms must always be fitted in conjunction with a Brooks AS 3786 2014 approved smoke alarm, as they are not intended to be used as the sole detection device, and interconnecting both carbon monoxide and smoke alarms together ensures that the sound levels are adequate throughout the property. Alarms can be interconnected either by hard wire or wirelessly using radio frequency RF enabled alarms.